if you find yourself with a camera in your hand and you want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment down below what you would like to learn more about. Hi Photos photographers. Today for our challenge of the week, we're going to be talking about capturing emotion. Now, capturing emotion is obviously something that mostly is communicated through the face. Now, I want to leave some of this a little bit ambiguous because I want you to find out for yourself. I'm going to suggest you actually do your best to capture one emotion, and it's going to be a little bit more than just one thing, but it's not going, well, okay, so the emotion I want you to go for is joy. It's a little bit more than happiness. The other question is you're going to need to figure out what is joy in that respect. How is it expressed, and what part of the face do you need to make sure you are drawing attention to communicate the joy expressed on someone's face. Carry your camera with you and keep your camera at the ready to be able to capture the expression on people's face. Maybe this day and time joy is not necessarily expressed, but don't forget either, some of the great photographers of history were learning to capture these sort of things in a daily expression of what they see and their art. And they were able to focus in on and to draw people's attention to the subjects they imaged and the emotion that they expressed. So learning to see, to capture the expression of joy, I think is going to be important. And joy may very well be something that is held within someone's heart and expressed perhaps without some of the facial expressions that we anticipate. So, so a little bit of extra homework here, this week's challenge, and do what you can to capture those expressions and learn a little bit about the expression of what joy is. Not just through the expression of a smile, but how it is emoted through the face, and what is it about a person's outlook, somebody's belief, thought patterns are really a part of joy also. So have fun with this challenge. Maybe it will help you and I change a little bit in our expression, our lifestyle, our thought patterns, and being able to better choose to be happy, which is part of allowing joy, and being able to choose to have a better outlook on life, and use that better outlook on not just life in total, but allow that to be expressed through our art and our photography. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing in your comments down below how this content has added value to your photography, and giving a thumbs up so that other people can like this and see this video. And if you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription. Thank you so much. God bless.